I can't believe I overlooked this place for so long. Hello, Albania. Forget Paris because this is the destination travelers are eyeing for 2025. Picture this: rugged mountains that meet the sky, ancient castles steeped in history, and pristine beaches with turquoise waters that rival the Maldives. Welcome to a land of unspoiled beauty and warm hospitality. Quick travel tip: head to the Albanian Riviera in late spring or early summer for fewer crowds and peak sunshine. Don't miss hidden gems like Kasamil's secluded beaches or the ancient city of Gjirokastër, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The best part? It's incredibly budget-friendly. You can dine, stay, and explore without breaking the bank. Pack your bags because your next adventure is waiting in Albania. Travel without limits. Embrace the road less traveled. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more hidden gems, and drop your dream destination in the comments below.